Hello, sister and friend. My name is Barya Tudu, and I am now very fine. And I hope you all are too fine. Okay. Today I have come to mountain, and I want to show you all the beautiful scene of the mountain. And I go upside. You can see, and I'm going to show. This is a bamboo feather, and I am standing under the bamboo feather, and it is called wide bamboo feather, and it has grown up itself. No one has planted planted this bamboo feather. Okay, guys, and I go ahead upside, and you can see this is the rock, and I am alone. I don't like fear because I come to the mountains sometimes, and I have idea about the mountain. So that, guys, I show you all. This is the rock, and you can see this is the pile work rock, and here also I am standing in front of the rock, and you can see this kind of trees. It she likes very beautiful, and this time trees leaf has grown up, and now the mountains she likes beautiful like greenery. And friends, I go ahead toward the upside. Yes, so that now trees have reduced than before, and I go upside. You can see, and I am standing on the rock, and you can see green leaf. I touch the green leaves, and guys, again I go upside, and you can see this tree's name is the Kand in Hindi, and we call in Santhali Tirildari. Okay, and guys, I go upside, and I show another scene, and you can see this is the BG, bushy, and you can see, and I am going to another place to show you all. Yes, you can see this kind of rock. You can feel wonderful. Perhaps you have not seen this kind of rock. And so guys, I'm also here. I am sitting now under the tree. This tree is the Sindang. We say in Santhali Sindang. This tree's name is in Santhali. Yes. And okay. And I'm going to show another rock. And the rock, on the rock and rock, it is called pile rock. You can see. And here is sea-like cave. Only one person can sit here comfortable. Okay. And you can see I am standing inside of the rock. You can see this is the rock. All right. Yes. And I saw another place, and I am going to show you most beautiful place. And now I have reached on the top of mountain. You can see. And friends, I want to show another trees. This is hazel tree. We say in Santhali, this name is hazel tree. Right. Okay guys, and I try to show you all very beautiful place and beautiful scene. Okay, and you can see this name is hazel tree, and this tree is the very strong, very concrete. We use in fuel. And I saw another place. This is the bushy. This name is the Kragali. Yes. And I am going to there, and again I want to show beautiful thing of the mountain. Yes. And there is most of the rock, and also I am going to there. And yes, you can see you can see the rock, and I am also standing here, and this kind of pile rock, I hope perhaps you all don't have seen like this. Okay, and guys, again I try to show you all another place, and okay, and yes, okay, and there is no tree because tree has reduced this time, and okay, I saw another place. Yes, and you can now come to the mountain because this time no have dangerous wild an animal that you may be problem. That is, this is not that. Yes, okay, our forefather used to tell us that don't go to mountain single person because there maybe have dangerous wild animal, and so that time people did not come to the mountain as single person, so that I am walking here and there, and I am alone. I don't like fear because this time no have dangerous wild animal in this mountain. Okay, okay guys, and yes, and I want to show you another place, and so I go there. Yes, and yes, now I am on the top of mountain. Yes, okay, and you can see I am walking here and there because I like very good, and okay friends, and I show you all, and I showed you all this also bamboo feather, and this bamboo feather is thin, not like a village bamboo feather. So that, friends, now I am sitting here. So guys, I am speaking English, and I did show you all much more thing. Perhaps you all saw the beautiful scene of the mountain, and friend and sister, I am speaking English, and I want to tell you all that why I have come here, and guys, and I speak English because I am teacher, and I think that this time English is the very important and global language all over the world, and also all over the India. So that many people say that if you don't learn English, it does not matter. But I understand it is the very important matter, and at present time is kids, they should understand and learn English very well, because this kind of examination they have to give. At that time they definitely failure, they fail. So that I think that English language is the very important for the kids, for the any other person. So I understood the importance of the English language. So I am speaking English, and I want to know very well English, and I think that this time everyone is running behind the English language. It is definite, and so that I thought that really the English language is the very important for all people, for all kids. They should learn English very well. So guys, I want to tell by the video to the people that why important is English. So that, guys, care about English language, because you can go to another country, and English language is spoken in all over the world, and you can talk and can speak in English in the another country. And English language is spoken in 4 countries. First USA, second Great Britain, third Australia, and fourth New Zealand. These countries are the English spoken countries. The people speak English language, and the English language is their mother language and their native language. So guys, now it has become spread all over the world, and we also talk and learn English very well in our country, in India. Thank you guys.